Today in Lavonne's kitchen, we are cooking some tuna pasta salad. So first we're going to boil our water so that we can add our macaroni noodles, and we're going to just cook those into the box directions. Make sure you add salt to your water, and then we're going to open our tuna. I have 3 cans of tuna. I'm going to open those and drain those, get all of that water out of those, and then just put it in the bowl with the following ingredients. I'm going to add some mustard, and then I'm going to add some dill relish. Some people prefer sweet. I like dill. Then I'm going to add a little black pepper, and then I'm going to add lots of mayonnaise. You can choose whatever type mayonnaise you like. I'm going to combine all of this together, and then I'm going to go ahead and drain my noodles because they're done. Make sure you get all that water off of them, and I'm going to add them to the tuna mixture and combine it very well. I'm going to let it refrigerate, and we will be done. You can serve it with crackers if you like. That's how I like mine. And enjoy. Thank you for joining me in Lavonne's kitchen.